Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Ooh, okay, so we have someone here with like very bold orange red color hair. Looks like she is getting a bob by the infamous Philip Wolf. So here he is cutting that bob style. Color kind of reminds me of that movie Fifth Element. Oh, she has her brows dyed too. Baby bangs in the front. Oh, I love the edginess behind this style. Very cute and definitely something different. So here we move into the next transformation. It looks like she is also getting a bob haircut here. Bit of layers in the front to frame out the bob. Does add a little bit of curl for some volume. Very nice. Another gorgeous hairstyle for the fall season. And this would be a really nice cut if your hair is on the thinner side. So moving into look number 3, we have a bob haircut. Looks like she's getting some color here. Ooh. She went with the blonde hair color trend. This is a hue that is in between blonde and brunette. Gorgeous hue for her complexion. So moving on to the next hairstyle. So this one looks like she might be getting some layers, some bangs. Beautiful cut for the fall. And if you're looking for a nice, simple way to refresh your look, I think that layers and bangs is going to be the perfect hairstyle for you. Nothing too drastic, just a nice little subtle hair change. So moving right along, we have another bob haircut in the works. Bobs are always going to be popular for fall. It's just something about the trend. Not even a trend. It's like a classic style. Looks like he gave her a nice, simple, polished variation. So moving on to the next one. I love her hair color. Oh my goodness. Beautiful head of ginger, and she gets the hair cut into this pixie. Now this is definitely giving 90s style pixie cut. Oh, that color is just unreal. And then we have someone here with very long hair. Of course, she is getting a color refresh. Ooh, wow, absolutely beautiful. Looks like we have a mini bob haircut for the next one. I feel like bobs are just getting shorter and shorter, and they're just intermingling with pixies, and then we're just calling them pixie bobs and bob pixie styles. Oh, so here is Philip Wolf once again. So he's filling in the hairline there. You can do that with some of those powders. Adding in some mousse. Fusing the hair. Oh, I love the fact that she's keeping her natural texture. So that is the before, and this is the after. Very cute curly pixie bob style. Oh, I love it. And I love the fact, once again, that she has her natural texture here. So here we have another hair transformation from Philip Wolf. We're so lucky. He's so talented, man. All right, so here he is putting some product in the hair. Chopping it down. Looks like she's getting some bangs. Bit of layers. Oh, I love the precision. Such precise cutting. And then we move on to the styling. Looks like she's getting a layered shoulder length bob or shoulder length cuts. Oh wow, I love the way that these layers look. Very 70s inspired with that flip under curl. So cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.